Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Lady Golf and you're watching Mom to Mom. So today I have bits and pieces of a hairstyle that I had to do in a rush. My client is always late and I always have to rush. So I did the best I could. I used 3 packages of this hair that you see here and the color. This is her before color and this is the end result. So I simply applied that hair to her ponytail with a rubber band. You can also use a scrunchie. And I simply twirled the hair around my finger and wrapped it around her ponytail. Us older people call that the phone wire wrap. Excuse the little baby. My client is now showing us how she applies her scarf. A lot of people are using bonnets these days, but you know, I'm old school and I still love a silk scarf like the next mother, okay? She does it simply and perfectly. It doesn't come off when she sleeps or anything and keeps her style nice and fresh. This style took about 45 minutes because of the color application, and she loves it. Until next time, you got this, girl.